Hello.
Yes, please.
Are you able to see the
Yes.
screen?
The screen, you kindly share the screen, then only we'll see.
Good afternoon to all the respected jury members.
Ji, ji, ji.
The second time from TSCCL we are participating in the Scotch Award. I think we met. This is my presentation. There is a state profile we have given here. Tripura is the third smallest state in the country. And the issue here is how TSCCL has managed the COVID situation. COVID effect, how we have run our electricity business in Tripura. That was the challenge. Actually, this is an unprecedented situation we faced, entire country, including Tripura. It's started since March, end of March. I think it is from 23rd or 24th March, the public panic has started. And 25th March is the first starting of the first phase of lockdown has been started by the government of India. So in utility sector, we had been under tremendous pressure and it was an unprecedented situation for us because electricity is such a critical input that is very much essential to continue its services to the people. Even whatever may be pandemic and other things, otherwise situation will become further worsen. Even the health service needs the power system to be stable. So our management has taken a well thought of approach to manage the crisis period. This is the uniqueness of our system. We have taken specific area, 5-pronged strategy to manage the entire situation. First of all was our priority sector was to maintain the 24/7 power supply. Second is the safety, hygiene of the employee and consumer because that's very important to continue the services. Then revenue management is another sector which without proper revenue management, we are unable to continue our business day-to-day operation. Next important part is the consumer convenience and benefit, then social responsibility. So it's a well-designed, well-thought of, well-interlinked approach have been taken up by the management of TSCCL. The challenges are here. Entire metering, billing, collection chain was badly affected because there was no movement at all. It was under lockdown. There is a panic that we cannot go out and all these things. Then serious financial constraint because people cannot come to the office. They cannot make the payments and all these things. Then all these things has resulted in accumulation or increase in AT&C losses, accumulation of outstanding because of less collection, billing and collection. Then delay in project implementation. Finally, ultimately, and overall, our mental depression, stress and pressure on the staff has affected badly on the entire functioning of the corporation. So these are the challenges. Then we'll show you how sector-wise our management has taken specific steps and right approach to contain all these things or to manage the electricity business to ensure 24/7 power supply. First of all, there is a strategy has taken to manage this entire electricity business through a roster duty because we had to use minimum staff strength so that spreading cannot affect our people. And then quick restoration of the power supply. Then on-demand power supply connection to the COVID isolation center. Every state has undergone this type of situation because government has created a lot of COVID isolation wards where on-demand power supply was needed. Then next strategy was taken safety hygiene of the employee of the consumer continuing operation for continuing the business operation. The continuing outbreak of the COVID-19 among the people of the organization. So stoppage of biometric attendance, then restriction of the employees movement, emergency, other than emergency restoration works, all the meeting was done through video conferencing, then distribution of masks, hand sanitizer, hand wash to all the employees of the organization in different offices, installation of e-sanitizer, then organizing COVID-19 testing camp. These are on the head of public or employee staff safety and hygiene issues. Then next important thing came in is the consumer convenience and benefit. See, consumer cannot come, but they need power supply and our business has to continue. So 24 into 7 online consumer management system have been given major thrust through our customer care center, online payment, then benefit of 50% surcharge waiver, it has been introduced. Then revenue management, we have taken the strategy, average monthly billing, then communication and distribution of bill. Again, it was a challenge because our entire state's infrastructure was not ready for full automation. We had a different kind of human interface based activity. So we have taken some localized area support to distribute or to communicate the bill information and all these things. Then special initiative taken for the high value government consumer, ST, bulk, and for billing of them. Then wide publicity through local electronic and print media we have adopted for wide awareness of the people how we are continuing the activity and seek people support. Another important thing was that social responsibility as an organization. So we have, our management has taken a step for wide awareness among the consumer and within the organization for do's and don'ts to safeguard, for the safety of employees. Then contribution, we have around 31.39 lakh from the corporation on a voluntary basis, but it was so that is the strategy we have taken. Then what is the excellence? Ensuring 24/7 power supply with skeleton roster duty staff is an excellent methodology we could establish here. So that is the excellent part of it. Then faster restoration of outage and breakdown. We have taken the customer care support, linking with our subdivisional maintenance team and all these things. So we have done very quick restoration of power supply. For any kind of outages, any consumer grievances, we could able to continue the services. Purchase, we have avoided purchase of costly power because that is an economical importance because to continue our business operation. When online consumer complaint registration, there was a huge impact on these things because there was a double the number when we have started these things. People has supported us by adopting the online methodology. Then mass average bill generation, meeting through video call, all these things, installation of e-sanitizer, COVID testing camp, all these things are excellent in the nature because this was done in the first time for a crisis period and we could succeed. What is the benefit we got? Our spreading among the employees of the organization was almost zero during this 3 months, during the first phase of COVID outbreak. Then ensured safety of the employee of consumers. Then 24/7 stable power supply we provided. There was no planned outage or power cut in the state of Tripura. Power supply in all hospital, primary health center, including COVID isolation wards was given and ensured 24/7. Prompt restoration of the services. On-demand new supply connection to all the emergency requirement has been met. Then pandemic related, another important thing, when this kind of pandemic act is in force, then we had to sync with our local administration and the state administration to meet various requirements. So we met those things. Uninterrupted 24/7 consumer services we provided through online complaint management. Continued revenue management activity. That is also another important part to continue the day-to-day operation with this methodology and approach. Then scalability and replicability of the futures. We have seen that we have done these things in the crisis period and we are sure this can be replicated because we have achieved whatever we thought of. So roster duty of essential stuff can be replicated in crisis period, any nature of crisis period in future. This can be implemented. Methodology adapted for purchase of cheaper power. That is what we have done. We have judiciously managed the power supply situation, power supply procurement. Then online consumer complaint management, like online bill payment, average monthly billing, all this is scalable. Any number of consumer, slowly we will also upgrade our infrastructure, supporting infrastructure for these things. But the methodology and what we have adopted is replicable and it is scalable. Then meeting, it has a new normal life. Now most of the meeting Like now we are making presentation. Earlier we had attended in person, but this time we are doing the video conferencing. So this is the change and new normal we are getting adopted, and this can be replicated anytime. E-sanitizer machines, this type of all advanced technology or gadgets or electric modern gadgets, we will try and test, and it is replicable. Health testing camp, it is unique thing. In Tripura, I can say it is the TSCL only as an organization has done this health testing camp for its employees, so that people do not face panic, because to reduce the stress and strain of the employee, our management has taken this type of very important decisions, and we are comfortable. It has reduced the stress and strain of the employees. Contribution to CM Relief Fund, it was all actually this, though it is a voluntary relief, but the idea came up with our MD's thinking. He tried in a social sense that as a corporation, as an employee of this corporation, we have a social area to contribute, so we have done these things. Sanitization of office building and other important installation, it is continuously we are doing it regularly. These are the some photographs of the things our Deputy Chief Minister sent on behalf of CM Relief Fund. Our MD is presenting the check. And this is the e-sanitizer, then is the testing camp, so all these things. Thank you very much.
Very good, sir. Very good. Mr. Murari, बहुत बढ़िया काम किया है. Very well done. And I would like to know how many electrical connections are there? 9 lakh or 10 lakh in Tripura?
9 lakhs, sir. 9.25 to be exact.
Around 9 lakh, na? And you can you tell me that what is the AT&C losses there in Tripura?
12.6.
We are having a 12.6% losses, sir.
12.6%.
Yes, sir.
Don't you think that is on the higher side?
No, they are minimum.
Acha.
National average is more than 22%.
But Gujarat is 4% only.
Gujarat is a quite advanced company. We are facing so many challenges here.
Okay.
Northeast area is, as you know, it is quite difficult to have maintain the power supply, as well as consumer is not aware. Even 30% is a tribal area, even though we are reduced losses at this level.
I understand there had been around 22,000 cases in Tripura so far over the COVID. Am I right, sir?
Yeah. Recently, it has been increased tremendously.
And that, but the deaths are very low. That means that you contained it very well, as per your also, which you have shown that you have done the good job. Keep it up, and we are very happy to see the presentation. All the best to you.
Thank you, Ved. Thank you, Ved.
Very impressive work done. It's very creditable, very professionally handled. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's very remarkable thing that in spite of having 74% of your population living in rural areas, and your losses, you have mentioned, is around 12%.
Right.
So what is the secret of that? And I was going through one report from Power Finance Corporation, and it states that the losses in Tripura state in the year 18-19 were more than 35%. So how suddenly the losses have come down from 35 to 12 or 13%? I just wanted to have clarification on that.
You have used a very particular word. What is the secret? So there is a secret. Actually, we are selling some power of 160 megawatt to the Bangladesh with good collection from the Bangladesh, because we are getting just like a bulk consumer. We are getting 100% collection. It is the one of the secret. Another is we have installed near about 42,000 smart meters in the Agartala. Thereafter, we have installed more than 1 lakh prepaid meters in the rural area. So it has been, these are the some pioneer steps we have taken. And another one is recently we have started PPP model, franchisee-based PPP model in the 5 divisions for the near about 15% of the total consumers. So these are some of the major steps we have taken to reduce the losses to that extent.
So very good actions you have taken, since I know that it is very difficult to work in northeastern area. And sir, would you like to throw some light on when the tariff was last revised in Tripura?
Yeah, recently in last month it has been revised. Actually, it was pending since 5 to 6 years. After 2014, it was not revised, but recently from 1st September, it has been revised, and recently the tariff order has come without any further increase. The tariff has been kept same with giving some additional rebates to the consumers.
Okay, excellent, sir. I know the as you have mentioned that 24/7 supply you are providing to your rural areas. So it's a good thing, sir. Keep it up.
It has been a great challenge that even we are having a more than 60% forest area, that our lines are passing through the dense forest, even though we are trying to maintain the power supply, and it's very commendable efforts from my people.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good,
Thank you.
sir. Good, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Samir, now we can invite Mr. Umashankar.
Yeah, yes, thank you very much, sir, for the presentation. Now